MC is equal to TC divided by Q. TC divided by Q. See, 60 divided by 0. 60 divided by 0 means infinite, or you can say infinity. So please write here dash. Means you can write here infinity or you can write here dash. See, 80, 50, 37, 29, 26, 25. So I hope all of you have understood how will you calculate AC. Now after this, calculate AFC. See, how will you calculate AFC? Now, see here, TFC is here, Q is here, so I will use this formula. AFC is equal to TFC divided by Q. Again, dash 60 divided by 1, 60, 60 divided by 2, 30, 60 divided by 3, 20, 60 divided by 4, 15, 60 divided by 5, 12, 60 divided by 6, 10. So I hope all of you have understood how will you calculate value of AFC. Now calculate TVC. See, TVC is here, Q is here, so I will use ABC is equal to TVC divided by Q. Now this will also dash 20, 20, 17, 14, 14, 15. Again, all of you have understood now. After this, MC. See, TVC is here and TC is here. So it's up to you. You can calculate MC with the help of either with the help of TC or with the help of TVC, because you know that what is the formula of MC? MCN is equal to TCN minus TCN minus 1, and MCN is equal to TVCN minus TVCN minus 1. See, first will be dash. First will be dash. See, do second minus first. Second minus first. 20. Second minus first. 20. Second minus first. 11. Second minus first. 5. Second minus first. 14. Second minus first. 20. See, you can also calculate MC with the help of TC. See, first will be dash. See, second minus first. 20. Second minus first. 20. Second minus first. 11. Second minus first. 5. Second minus first. 14. Second minus first. 20. Means value of MC will remain same. I means either you can calculate either with the help of TC or TVC. So please pause the video and note down this. See next type. Given below is the cost schedule. Means cost schedule this of a firm. Its average fixed cost is rupee 20. Means average fixed cost means AFC is equal to rupee 20. When it produces 3 units, means Q is equal to 3 units. So calculate MC and AC. Again, first of all, you will calculate TFC. And what is the formula of TFC? According to this, AFC into Q. So TFC will be equal to rupee 60. Now TFC means 60, 60, 60. Now see, calculate MC. What is the formula of MC? MCN is equal to TCN minus 1, or MCN is equal to TVCN minus TVCN minus 1. Means you can calculate, first of all, if you want to calculate MC, then you have to calculate either TC or TVC. So see, TVC, what is the formula of TVC? See, ABC is given here, TFC is given here, and Q is given here. So means according to these information means we can find here TVC. So we please calculate TVC. And what is the formula of TVC? ABC into Q. ABC into Q. 30, 28 into 2, 56 and 96. Now calculate TC. TFC is here, TVC is here, so you can calculate TC. 90, 116 and 156. See, calculate MC. First, now see, always remember when output starts from 0, then you can calculate MC either with the help of TC or TVC. When output starts from 0, then you can calculate MC either with the help of TC or TVC, and value of MC will remain same. But when output starts from 1, first unit, then you will calculate MC with the help of TVC. So always remember. So output is starting here from first unit. Then you will calculate MC with the help of total variable cost. So first will be same, means 30, second minus first 26, second minus first 40. So I hope all of you have understood how will you calculate MC. Now AC. What is the formula of AC? AC is equal to TC divided by Q. TC is here, so please divide TC by Q. 90, 58, 52. So I hope all of you have understood means how will you calculate type 5th question. But always remember these 2 points means which are related to MC, means when output starts from 0, then you can calculate MC either with the help of TC or TVC. But when output starts from 1, then you will calculate MC with the help of only TVC. So please pause the video and note down this. See, type 6 means find out the missing figure from the table given below. Again, first of all, you will calculate TFC. And what is the formula of TVC? TC minus TFC. And what is the formula of, according to this question, TFC plus TVC. See, but first of all we will find TFC. See, at 4th unit of output TFC is 60, so TFC will be 60 at all levels of output. Now you can calculate either TC or TVC, it's up to you. See, now at 0 level of output, TC is equal to TFC, so TC will be 60. Now what is the formula of TC? TFC plus TVC. 80, 111, 111, then after 116 and C. This is given. Now please calculate TVC. What is the formula of TVC? TC minus TFC. 0, 40, 70, 90. So I hope how will you calculate means this type of table, or you can say how will you solve this type of table, or you can say this type of question. First of all, you will calculate TFC, then question will become easier and you can find any cost, TC, TVC, AC, MC, AFC, ABC. But first of all, you will calculate TFC. So please pause the video and note down this.